To start, click on Sign in with Google. This user is a standard user. Today, we're submitting a repair request. First, choose what building the issue is in. If you're unsure, you can click Other. We've selected middle school. Next, we will pick which room you need assistance in. Again, if you're unsure, click Other. Your title should be brief and describe the problem in less than 10 words. Scroll down. Priority level is set at medium. However, you are able to change this based off your assessment. We've decided a roof leak is urgent. If you have photos on your phone or desktop, you can easily add them here. Before you submit your request, give as much detail as possible to better assist the maintenance team in the description. When you're ready, click Submit Request. An email will be sent to you and the building maintenance team confirming your submission. You can check on the status of your requests and add directly to the ticket in My Requests. Here is the request we just submitted. You can see communication from the maintenance team, as well as add any additional notes to the ticket after it's been submitted. Click on Sign Out to log out.